In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Freetaxusa for the year 2025 in a step-by-step process. Freetaxusa is a popular online tool for filing your federal tax returns for free, offering you a convenient and reliable option during tax season. To get started, you need to first navigate to their website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Freetaxusa, or simply search for it online. Once on the website's homepage, your journey to hassle-free tax filing begins. The first thing you might want to do is click on the About Us section. This section is a great starting point because it gives you a broader understanding of what Freetaxusa is about, reinforcing confidence in the decision to use this platform. The About Us page highlights how Freetaxusa simplifies your taxes using high-quality software at an unbeatable value, which is quite reassuring when you're looking for a tool that makes tax filing less daunting. What you'll appreciate next is their commitment to you as a user. Freetaxusa prominently shares this promise, emphasizing their dedication to providing an honest service. They break down information clearly, ensuring you receive what you expect without hidden surprises during the process. As you continue exploring, notice their attention to quality. Freetaxusa balances efficiency and accuracy, helping you file taxes without unnecessary stress. And speaking of stress, you'll be gratified to learn about their security measures. Security is paramount when handling sensitive information, and Freetaxusa goes the extra mile to ensure your data is protected with the latest technologies and practices. Another value they hold dear is respect. Freetaxusa treats you as a valued customer, prioritizing your needs and feedback as part of their service ethos. It's heartening to know that this platform was specifically designed with users like you in mind, aiming to make the tax process as smooth and user-friendly as possible. To solidify your trust, Freetaxusa provides factual background on their services, so you're fully informed about what they offer and their track record. Finally, they stand by their guarantees, underscoring the confidence they have in their service. These guarantees assure you of the accuracy and promptness of your returns, adding another layer of reliability. By understanding these features, you're well prepared to start filing with Freetaxusa confidently. They make navigating your taxes less of a task and more of a straightforward experience, focusing on user-friendly solutions that respect your time and security. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you through the tax filing season with ease and peace of mind.